What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can apply or join the Pocket Option affiliate program. So let's get started. Now first off, you will need to go to this website right here, so you can just Google it, or I will leave a link in the description so you can click on that. Now once you're on this website, you can just go ahead and click Become Partner right here. And then the registration tab will pop up. So here you would just need to input the email and the password that you would like to be associated with your affiliate account. Now keep in mind that if you have a Pocket Option account, this doesn't have to be the same as for that account. Now once you inputted your email and the password, you can just go ahead and accept the agreement right here. And then just go ahead and click sign up. And just like that, your Pocket Option affiliate account is created. Now, of course, you would need to input this information right here in these fields to finalize the account creation process. You can also enable the two-factor authentication right here, but let's just go ahead and input our information here and finalize the process. Now, once you inputted all of that, you can go ahead and click save right here. And now, as a starter bonus, my plan has automatically been upgraded to standard with a 50% commission rate for the next month. So that's guys how you can create and set up your Pocket Option affiliate account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.